Hey, Pi Network pioneers! Welcome back to the Rich Minds Corner, your go-to channel for financial freedom and crypto insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting new development, Pi Network Pi domains. But what are Pi domains, why do they matter, and how can they change the future of decentralized websites? Stay tuned as I break it all down for you. What are Pi domains? Alright, so let's start with the basics. Pi domains are Web3 domains that will function within the Pi network ecosystem. Unlike traditional domains like .com or .net, Pi domains are decentralized, censorship-resistant, and directly linked to your Pi identity. This means you can use them for personal or business websites on the Pi network, crypto transactions, and decentralized identity. Creating Web3 applications within the Pi ecosystem. Imagine owning your name Pi or your business Pi, your unique identity in Web3. Why Pi domains are a game changer. So, why is this such a big deal? Decentralization. Unlike regular domains controlled by central registries, Pi domains give you full ownership. No third party can take it down. Seamless Pi transactions. Your Pi domain could be linked to your Pi wallet, making crypto payments as simple as sending to a username. Early adopter advantage. Right now, Web3 domains like ETH are selling for thousands of dollars. Getting a Pi domain early could be a huge investment. This could revolutionize the way we interact with the Pi network and the broader Web3 space. How to register a Pi domain. Now, let's talk about how you can secure your own Pi domain. While official registration is still being rolled out, here's what we know so far. Step 1. Ensure you have completed Pi Network KYC. Only verified users will be eligible. Step 2. Check for updates in the Pi browser app. Pi core team is expected to launch the domain service soon. Step 3. Reserve your domain before the public sale begins. Early adopters often get the best domains first. Once registration is open, I'll drop a full tutorial, so hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Will Pi domains have value? A lot of people are wondering, will Pi domains be valuable? Let's look at some examples. ETH domains on Ethereum sell for thousands of dollars today. BTC domains are rare and expensive in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Pi domains could follow the same trend, especially as Pi network adoption grows. So, if Pi goes mainstream, owning a premium Pi domain could be like owning digital real estate. And that's everything you need to know about Pi network Pi domains. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on Pi network and Web3. Thanks for watching the Rich Minds Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.